Hello friends, this is me Anjali, and today with me you will get a valuable thing. And today's session going to be rough because I'm coming back to you guys with a new topic and golden topic, that is passion. And in this video I will make you aware that what is passion and what other people are thinking about this golden thing, that is passion. And according to me, after sharing their viewpoint, I will give my viewpoint. I will present my viewpoint here in front of you guys, so that you will get a lot of things by side me, because I am here to aware you guys. I hope you will get a lot of awareness by side me, and this is the platform where I'm pursuing my passion, that is passion towards speaking. Yeah, right now I'm doing my good, and I hope you will have a lot of things, and I hope you will get more and more things by me. And so now with this, what is passion, what makes you passionate, and to which for which you are passionate. So with this, what is passion according to other people's, like for youth, actually, according to youth, passion is what? Passion for them is a kind of thing, like from starting, if you have set up a goal to achieve by hard works, from starting to ending. Okay, if you get that goal, if you achieve that goal, that is passion according to them. Okay, passion is like that. This passion is related to continuity here. If you are doing something for achieving something, if you have set up your target, because not having goal, and what kind of target, you're not doing that, you're not pursuing that, you have no passion. You have passion only to achieve something, you have passion only to get your goal, your fulfill your needs. That's why you are working towards to you are riding your life towards to achieve that. That's why you are working. It be a kind of passion for you. But and other in other ways, like a passion is something which everybody do on their daily basis. If everybody do on daily basis, okay, if everybody do on daily basis what they like to do, that is passion. Yeah, of course, why not? Obviously it would be a passion. And with this I would like to share my opinion. So I have said, like according to others people, what they are thinking to achieve, to something, to achieve their goal, to achieve higher things, whatever they they had set up. So for this they are fascinating. And if they get that, their somewhere their passion end up. But passion would be a kind of hobby, you know fond of doing anything. It would be a passion, like passion for me. And according to me, what you should think about passion, passion is something which you do on without any self, there is no your self interest, not having any self respect. If you're pursuing your work, if you're doing your work on daily basis, that is your passion. And passion would be in terms of many forms, like passion. If you really fond of reading newspaper in the morning on daily basis, that is your passion. Like passion is directly related with hobby. It would be a hobby, another term. And in another aspect, it directly related with hobby. And your hobby, what your hobby wants to you, what your hobby wants to you to work, that is your passion actually. Yeah, it is like this. And Reading newspaper would be your passion, and daily, if you really want, if you any type of situation, whether it is your bad situation or your good situation, if you are truly, you if you truly believe in yourself, you actually on daily basis like this, you fond of taking tea and coffee, it is your passion, and serving poor people on the on temple side, it would be your passion. And passion is what, taking care of yourself, taking care of your parents is a passion. If you go temple and on daily basis you ring the bell, it is your passion, that's why you are pursuing it, that's your why you are doing on daily basis. And you, for doing it, for doing those things which you really take interest, which you really love to do, that is your passion. Passion is not something like only to achieve something, passion would be your hobby like this. And if if you are a aspirant, if you are aspirant, study would be your passion to, because it is according to another people like saying to achieve something, because here why you are studying newspaper being an aspirant, because you want to achieve that goal what you have set up to achieve that, it is your passion. For with selfish, being selfish, if passion on two way, passion would be on two way, you can consider passion on two terms, like with selfishness and with selfless. Passion would be self for self interest, passion would be selfless, because serving people is not a selfish to ourselves. We are not doing for ourselves, we are doing it because we love to do it. I'm fond of to doing it because it is my passion to do, that's why I'm doing this. There is no self interest behind serving poor people. And if government also doing their passion, why because they are also serving us, serving poor people and serving their citizen uh, in country like India, that is their passion. Government also passionate about their work. And if we really taking interest, and if any kind of work, in any kind of work, if you really feel happy and you fond of to do that on daily basis, and you have you have taken that thing in your lifestyle, if you have you adopted that in your life, and you daily you want to do that, you want to pursue that, this is your passion. And exercise would be your passion. And if I can say, like speaking would be your passion, you're not doing, here you are not doing to achieve more things, but you're really taking interest, and you're really fond of speaking, and this is your passion. Passion would be for selfishness, and passion would be for not for any self-interest, and without any selfishness you can consider passion. And according to this is this that's all my ideology about passion. What do you think about yourself with passion? How much you are passionate? If you're saying source in YouTube, okay, this would be your kind of passion, that's why you are saying this. Addiction is another thing, forget that thing. Addiction, you must be addicted towards bad things or good things, forget about that. The do that aside, okay, aside that, you have to think about passion, what you are really doing. If you're really thinking of yourself, yourself, this is your passion. And thinking of ourselves is our passion. And take caring of ourselves, it's my passion. And dressing well, it would be a passion for me. And speaking well, it would be passion for me. And everything that I love to do it, it would be passion for me. And according to you, it would be passion for you. So with this, I hope you will get I hope you are giving you are taking a lot of things by me. And this all that's all about passion. And I will meet you soon with a new thing which influence you very more, and which stimulate you uh, to do hearts in your life, which stimulates you to do great things, to achieve great things in your life, not by selfishness. And by pursuing your idea, by pursuing your interest, you would achieve that, by because here your passion is working. So we will meet you soon. And after this, I will give a lot of things which really which is your requirement. And I hope I will stand on your requirement. So that's all. Thank you so much for saying me, for hearing me, and for listening me very attentively. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.